rise of the industrial Internet of Things is causing an influx of new data. Are you struggling to analyze that data to create valuable, actionable insights? Belden has the solution to help. Introducing the Hirschmann OpEdge 8D, an industrial-grade edge gateway device. Leveraging the latest IT technologies to bridge the IT-OT divide and make operational data more useful. Bringing ultimate performance to the edge with features like the cloud-hosted Belden Horizon console, enabling simplified native device management and application orchestration, allowing users to make changes across several devices at once, secure remote access, ensuring a user's link to the cloud is protected from rising and sophisticated cybersecurity concerns. Hirschmann OpEdge 8D, industrial-grade edge gateway device, a revolution in operational edge computing. For more information, visit our website at belden.com/opedge.